Hello guys, welcome to Cruxweld. Today we present two advanced welding automation solution designed to improve weld quality, increase efficiency and reduce operator fatigue. The DynaFlex 100S flexible rail welding and cutting carriage and the DynaSwing 100K magnetic oscillation welding carriage. These intelligent welding systems are engineered to deliver precision, consistency and superior performance across a wide range of industrial applications. DynaFlex 100S flexible rail welding and cutting carriage. The Cruxweld DynaFlex 100S is a versatile welding and cutting carriage designed for applications requiring accurate movement along straight, curved or irregular paths. Using a flexible rail system, the carriage can easily adapt to various workpiece geometries, making it ideal for tank fabrication, pressure vessels, shipbuilding, structural fabrication, and heavy engineering industries. Its robust construction ensures smooth travel and stable operation, resulting in uniform weld quality and precise cutting performance. The system helps reduce manual effort while significantly increasing productivity and process consistency. Whether performing welding or cutting operations, DynaFlex 100S provides reliable results that meet the demanding requirements of modern fabrication industries. While DynaFlex 100S offers exceptional flexibility for rail-guided welding and cutting applications, certain welding jobs require wider bead coverage, improved fusion, and controlled oscillation. For such demanding applications, Cruxweld introduces another powerful automation solution. DynaSwing 100K Magnetic Oscillating Welding Carriage. Introducing the Cruxweld DynaSwing 100K Magnetic Oscillation Welding Carriage, designed for high-quality automated welding applications. The DynaSwing 100K combines magnetic travel technology with precise oscillation control to produce consistent and superior welds. Its powerful magnetic drive system enables smooth movement on steel surfaces, making it suitable for vertical, horizontal, and inclined welding positions. The oscillation function allows better weld bead information, improved sidewall fusion, and enhanced penetration, especially in wider joints and heavy fabrication applications. With adjustable travel speed, oscillation width, and dwell time settings, operators can achieve accurate and repeatable welding results with minimal effort. The DynaSwing 100K helps increase productivity, improve weld quality, and reduce dependence on manual welding skills. It is widely used in shipbuilding, structural steel fabrication, heavy engineering, pressure vessel manufacturing, and industrial construction projects. At Cruxweld Industrial Equipment Private Limited, we continue to develop innovative automation solutions that help industries achieve higher productivity and superior welding quality. Whether you need the flexibility of the DynaFlex 100S or the advanced oscillation capabilities of the DynaSwing 100K, Cruxweld delivers a reliable solution built for industrial performance. Cruxweld Industrial Equipment Private Limited, engineering precision, delivering performance. For product demonstration, technical support and business inquiries, contact us today. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. For more information, you can visit our website www.cruxweld.com. Thank you.